Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about a plugin. Using this plugin, we can make our custom design preview for product, and we can order our customized products. So for this feature, first we have to install the plugin, which is a live preview customizer with for live preview for WooCommerce. I'll share the product description below on the video. Let's see how it works. First we have to choose the variation, we can color choose, we can select product type, like I'm choosing hoodies, and then size, say it is previewing. Now I am placing the logo or any custom print, or which we can place at our own customized place. See, now here it is previewing, and all the variation showing here. Also we can upload our own custom design, like here I can upload, just testing purpose I am uploading this. See, it is placing here. Okay, and also we can choose our own design instead of this preset items from here. So then finally you can add to cart and check out. Also we can preview our cart, all design listed here. See, this was my previous design, and this is a new design which I make recently. Then finally checkout. In the checkout page, you will also able to see all these customized design, and finally you can place order your customized design. So it is basically for printing custom design with WooCommerce, and setup is really easy. You can, using this plugin, you can easily set up this using your custom fields. Okay, so this is was the plugin the description brief. You can try it out. Thank you.